Well, hello there, beautiful souls, and welcome to part 11 of this incredible weight loss adventure. Today, I am excited because my weigh-in this morning, I am down to 136 pounds. So only 26 pounds away from my goal of 110. That's so exciting for me. All of my efforts that I have put in are paying off. The changes that I've made in my eating habits and my exercise routine have made me feel incredibly healthy. And that's, what I strive for is good health. My blood pressure is balanced out. It had been before, at times way high, but too low quite often. And it's balanced out to almost perfect. It's about 110 over 70 to 72. So, without, of course, any medication at all. I haven't looked at my blood sugar. I'm not diabetic, but I assume my blood sugar is probably way better too. So, yeah, exciting to be feeling healthy and to be wearing fall fashions that I bought in hopes of someday looking good in, and today became that day. And fall hasn't even arrived yet, so I love fall, the brisk, cool mornings, and we start wearing our warmer, gorgeous fall fashions. It's just my very favorite time of the year is the fall. So today, I have already prepared, because this is actually something I prepared last night, but I'll let you have a look here. They're very simple. I don't even need to post a recipe. So if you look inside, you can see these little rolls. And what this is in here, we have a jalapeno, fresh jalapeno, filled with cream cheese, and it's rolled in pork loin with a little piece of bacon wrapped around it to hold it together. I just baked that in the oven on, I think it was about 390 or so for 40 minutes. And they came out perfect. Make sure you season them or they get a little bland. But so there's in each roll a little over 1 carbohydrate, about 1.3 carbohydrates per roll. The calories I think come in probably close to, so a serving is 2 rolls. Your calories are probably coming in to close to 300. I can't give you exacts on it because they're different sizes. Some of the jalapenos were bigger than others, but the cream cheese and jalapeno is where your carbohydrate comes from, and there's very little in either. We have a beautiful salad to go with that. And so with 2 of these and this salad, which is a large portion of salad there, you're coming in at about 5 carbohydrates for your dinner. You add a little bit of dressing to this. Now I use Italian dressing, and that has 2 carbohydrates per 2 tablespoons. So, you add. So we're under 10 carbohydrates for supper. And in the salad, I used beautiful tomatoes that were harvested from our garden. So, yeah, I'm going to miss the garden this winter, but it sure is coming in handy right now. And we enjoyed very much our salad and our jalapeno stuffed pork last night. It was just an incredible dinner. And helping achieve the weight loss goal, I have been well under 50 carbohydrates a day now for several weeks. I'm coming in lately around about 25 carbohydrates a day, and I'm really noticing the difference. The weight is coming off, and I've been using a rowing machine, so I'm tightening and toning as well, and just feeling super healthy. Lots of energy, And moving forward, I think there will be no problem at all for me to achieve my goal of 110. Like I say, only 26 pounds left to go. Very exciting for me. And I thank each and every one of you for your support. And if I have helped any of you move forward in your journey to reaching a healthy lifestyle, then everything has been worthwhile, above and beyond of what I'm getting out of it. So I certainly hope that some of you at least are enjoying this. I know that some are. I've had personal messages, and then a couple of my clients that I life coach have also told me that these videos have been very helpful to them. From my heart to yours, I love each and every one of you. And I thank you for coming on this journey with me. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye for now.